Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. Multiplayer. It's a fantastic way to share the classic adventure with a friend. One player takes on the role of Mario, while the other controls Luigi. You'll alternate turns, switching whenever one player loses a life or successfully completes a stage. This setup creates a unique blend of cooperation and friendly competition, making every session exciting and engaging. To begin your two-player journey, first make sure you have two controllers connected to your console. Once that's done, navigate to the main menu of Super Mario Bros. And select the two-player game option. It's important to confirm that both controllers are responsive and working correctly before you dive into the action. A quick check of your game settings will ensure a smooth start to your multiplayer fun. The core of Super Mario Bros. Multiplayer lies in its turn-based system. Players alternate turns, with the switch happening when one player loses a life or successfully clears a stage. The game keeps a separate score for each player, adding an element of friendly rivalry. You can decide whether to work together to conquer the Mushroom Kingdom or compete for bragging rights. Either way, it's a blast. To truly excel, practice your precise jumps and learn to utilize every power-up effectively. Communication with your partner can also be key, especially in trickier levels. And hey, while you're enjoying some classic gaming, why not upgrade your home tech? For an amazing clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to that, plus other great deals, in the description below. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy this iconic game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.